Welcome to Techliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add channels in Microsoft Teams community. So at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software. Then from here, just come to the left side and click on communities. If you don't have a community, you need to create a community from here. But if you do already have a community, just go to it. And after going to your community, on the left-hand side, you'll see an option called Add Channel. You just have to go ahead and click on this to add a channel. And from here, you'll be given an option to create a channel in your community. So from here, just give a channel name. And you can also add some emojis over here. That's the channel emoji that will be shown before the channel name. Note one thing that owners may add up to 5 channels per community. You cannot add any more than that. So after that, just click on Add. Just wait for it to load. The channel will be created in your community. Just give it some time. And there you go. In the background, we can see the channel has been created. And basically, as the first post, you can post the announcement where you welcome all of your team members or all of your community members to this community. And basically, that is how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams community. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.